Hi, welcome to the TC37 quick ops video. This 37 is equipped with the optional side shovel and the optional wheel lift, so we'll demonstrate their operation a little bit during this course of this. The side shovel is pretty straightforward, right? It's a power out side shovel, so lifting the handle up brings it in, pressing down brings it out. Otherwise, normal side shovel operation, pretty quick and easy. Great for tall sidewall, truck type tires, things of that nature. So you can break the beads with the side shovel if you choose. The wheel lift, also easy. It's on the other side. It's controlled with this center pedal. So if you've got the wheel lift as an option, there'll be a center pedal in that position. Before we set the tire on the tire changer, we'll want to adjust our platen height. There's 3 positions for this tire changer. The bottom position, which is in now, is most used for reverse wheels. The very most top position is more used for very deep, wide wheels, Corvette wheels, for example. The middle position is the most common and what we'll use here today. Notice that there's also a drive pin on this tire changer. The drive pin is going to fit in the lug hole, so as I've used the wheel lift, I'm going to set it a lug hole through that drive pin and center it onto this platen. Once you've centered the wheel, grab your quick clamping shaft, insert it right through the center hole, and turn 90 degrees clockwise. Same with the quick clamp. Clockwise to tighten. Just snug it up. It doesn't have to be super tight because the cam plate will tighten it further as you need to. From here on, we're going to primarily use this pendant in our foot pedal controls. Pendant controls are right switch, controls the right roller. I'll lower it down into position, adjust my diameter as necessary. When I want to indent, push the button on the right-hand side. Flipping up, will clear tools. When using the lower roller, use the leftmost switch because the lower roller is the left roller. Indentation is right below it. And pushing down will bring the roller in the active position. Flipping up automatically brings it to home. So activate, home, activate, indentation, home. Let's set our top roller position if we're using our bead loosening rollers. We'll bring our roller down, grab the handle here, adjust it to basically our rim diameter, all right? The bottom automatically adjusts, so I can start bead loosening on the bottom. The bottom is controlled by this leftmost button. I indent with this button here, and that'll loosen the beads. You always want to indent right after the rim edge to assist bead loosening. Lubrication is also helpful. So you can see better here with the top roller when I indent what it does and how it works. Now that we've loosened our beads, we'll bring our mount-demount head into position. Grab our lever. It's nice to have a gap here so the lever slots right in and we can clear our roller out of the way. A lot of beads will like to stick on the bottom. You can use your bottom roller to assist with that. In fact, I use it even more often than that because it's a very easy bottom bead demount tool. So I'm going to use my lower controls, bring my bottom roller up, indent it, and just flip that tire right on off of there, fast and easy. You'll notice that anytime I release a control, it returns to its home position. So the bottom roller goes down, the top roller goes up. For mounting, again, just grab your demount head, pull it into position here, and set it. For top bead mounting, for demonstration purposes, we'll use all of the tools we have available to us, okay, which is our top roller, our mount-demount head, and our press arm. Get the tire properly set over the mount-demount head, and use your press arm. You can also use your top roller to guide that tire into the drop center and to keep it from walking over the mount head. Another great benefit of this changer is variable speed, so I can mount quite slowly if I have a tough tire and wheel. Or go full speed if I'm repositioning. When match mounting, the first step is to just bead brake. Make sure you get some lubrication on it. Bead brake the bottom roller. Again, lubricate. And then find a nice spot where the tire spins, like about here. The 37, like all dual bead loosening roller changers, is capable of match mounting. Once we mount it, inflation is on the other side of the unit. Normal inflation is just using the pedal in the low position. If you want to use blast inflation for some of these harder to seat beads, it is all TC37s are equipped with blast inflation. Simply hold the nozzle in, press it in, hold it nice and straight and steady with two hands, and give it a nice sharp blast. Unclamping is the opposite of clamp, counterclockwise. Same with the wheel lift. And it's that easy. Thank you.